Yes, so after knowing what are the important minerals or nutrients required by the plants, now we'll be studying about how the minerals are absorbed by the roots and the plants. Now there are two processes of absorption of minerals. One is diffusion and other is the active transport. Okay, other is what? Active transport. Now the thing is that, do you remember I had told you about absorption of water? So water is absorbed by the process of osmosis. Shall I go back again to the slides? Let's see once again. Yes, this one. Water is getting absorbed by the roots, okay, by the process of osmosis. That is, one semi-permeable membrane will be there. Water will move from higher concentration to lower concentration. Now we are talking about the absorption of minerals by the plants. So they do by the process of diffusion and active transport. Diffusion, you can see that this is also from a region of where movement of molecule takes place from this and higher concentration to lower concentration. It is getting spread all over this box. Okay, once again let us see, let it stop. See, from higher concentration to lower concentration to the entire room. Okay, but here in diffusion you will never find any sort of semi-permeable membrane. Okay, that is diffusion is a process by which this semi-permeable membrane doesn't act. But the thing is that you can say that, ma'am, but roots, they have a membrane, right? They have a membrane. So obviously the thing is that the roots, they have a membrane, they need to cross this membrane, no doubt about that. But the process, I mean this diffusion, this entire process, wherever it will take place, they don't require any membrane to pass through from the region of higher concentration to lower concentration. We can have a discussion about this in the live classes. Okay, next what we talk about, okay, from higher concentration to lower concentration, similar to osmosis, but osmosis requires a membrane, and osmosis, the process of osmosis only helps in the movement of water, not any other thing. Okay, diffusion helps in the movement of water, liquid, solid, anything like that, without the presence of any sort of membrane between. Next process by which absorption of minerals can take place is the active process. What is it? Just see. Here the thing is completely opposite. So this is lower concentration and this is higher concentration. So molecules will move from this lower concentration to higher concentration with the help of ATP. That means energy is required. Now where from will this energy come? This energy is going to come from the mitochondria. Here also you can see from this lower concentration the molecules are moving into the higher concentration. You are not seeing the opposite one. Are you able to see? No, you are not seeing that from higher to lower it's going. But here in active transport, what do we see? That the movement of molecules moves from, that means the minerals will move from a region of lower concentration to a region of higher concentration. Okay, please get these three basics clear. That is, one is osmosis, one is diffusion, and the third one is active transport. Have these basics cleared. Okay, until and unless you get the basics clear, then it will be very difficult to understand several concepts. Have the basics cleared and then we can have a discussion in the live class. Alright, so that was it about the absorption of minerals by the plants, that is by diffusion, and the other is the active transport. Alright, thank you so much.